This is what your Moodle class will look like once you open it up from your dashboard. The faculty information on the screen may differ among classes. Regardless, your instructor will include their contact information and any other information here. These are topics. These may be under different names, like how they're labeled here. This is where your instructor will post assignments. Clicking on one of the topics will display any assignments, quizzes, exams that the instructor has posted. These may be posted along with due dates as well. Also, don't forget to scroll all the way down to make sure you don't miss anything that may be important. Going back to the faculty information page, this is where your instructor might post day one access, if any, as well as class announcements. You can also click the next section at the bottom of the page to navigate through class topics. All Moodle classes should provide a syllabus and/or course schedule. This one is labeled syllabus and schedule. However, other classes may have it under course information or another name. You are able to download it and print it off if you so desire. Looking at your Moodle course, you can access your course tools. Clicking on course tools will bring you to this page where you can find resources and see your grades and certain assignments. Clicking the grade number will take you to all assignments that the class has had. It will also display grades, both letter and percentage, as well as any comments the instructor may have left. Scrolling down will show you resources that may be helpful while taking the course. You can write an email. You can also provide with other helpful resources, and you can access Moodle support.